In this video, I'll show you how to write blog posts with Claude AI. This is a simple way to quickly generate ideas, outlines, and full articles. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help create a blog post. For example, I might type, "Write a blog post about the benefits of daily exercise for beginners." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a blog post based on my request. If I want more structure, I can first ask Claude to create an outline for the blog post. For example, I might type, "Create a blog post outline about healthy morning routines." Once Claude provides the outline, I can ask it to expand each section into a full article. I can also ask Claude to adjust the tone, length, or style of the post depending on my audience. For example, I might ask for a professional tone, a conversational style, or a shorter version. Once the blog post is ready, I can copy the text and use it on my website or blog. And that's it. I've successfully written a blog post using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.